Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the hardware and phone are ready. Charge the AirPods and update iPhone software. Once done, put the AirPods Pro 3 in your ears and enable Bluetooth. Then open Control Center and go to Accessibility Options. This is where Live Listen and headphone accommodations live. Make sure hearing is visible in Control Center. If not, add it via Settings. Now you're positioned to configure audio routing and the listening mode that turns AirPods into a practical hearing assist device. You should now configure modes for clarity. Enable Live Listen so the iPhone mic streams directly to the AirPods. This reduces distance-related loss. Next, tap Headphone Accommodations and run Custom Audio Setup. It tailors frequency boost and balance to your ears. Once configured, fine-tune transparency and EQ to emphasize speech frequencies. Make sure to test in a quiet room and then in typical noisy spaces. Keep volume moderate and adjust mic placement on the phone for best pickup of the target speaker. Finish by validating the setup in actual conversations. Listen for missing consonants or distant voices and tweak headphone accommodations accordingly. Make sure you position the iPhone toward the speaker and keep it 1 to 3 meters for best live listen pickup. Moving the phone closer helps. If audio stutters or disconnects, restart the AirPods Pro 3, toggle Bluetooth, and re-enable Live Listen. If still failing, reset network settings or unpair and repair AirPods. That typically resolves persistent routing or firmware hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.